When ordering a Lumacast fire feature through our made-to-order process, you can fully tailor your experience by choosing any model, size, and color from our range of colors, including 8 beautiful concrete color selections. Simply pick your design, select a color, or mark it TBD if you're unsure. If you choose TBD for the color, we will send you samples, and you will have 10 days to make your final selection to avoid delays in production. And choose from our available infill media rocks. Next, select your preferred fuel type, whether it's propane or natural gas. Be sure to consult with your plumber or contractor to ensure you're making the correct choice. Every Lumacast fire feature comes standard with premium warming trends burners, ensuring the best flame output in the industry, regardless of your fuel choice. After choosing your fuel type, there are additional accessories that may complement your fire feature, depending on your design selection. You can also opt for extras like all-weather covers, tabletops, or wind guards. Once your order is finalized, it moves into production. Before casting, our fulfillment team will reach out to confirm the details of your order to ensure everything is tailored to your specifications. We then prepare the specific concrete molds and hand cast your fire feature using our proprietary GFR concrete with meticulous care. Once cured, your fire feature enters the finishing stage, where it's wet polished, dry polished, honed, and sealed entirely by hand. During this phase, the burner systems are fitted and tested to meet our rigorous quality control standards. Accessories are also custom built and tested to ensure perfect fit and function. After passing a final quality control inspection, your fire feature is crated and prepped for shipping. The entire process from order to shipment takes approximately 4 to 7 weeks, depending on your specific fire feature. Please note that this timeline does not include shipping, as delivery times vary by location. For customers within our regional delivery zones, we offer white glove service for an additional fee. Our delivery team schedules 2 weeks in advance to ensure a smooth, expedited process for made-to-order fire features. The made-to-order option allows you to tailor every detail of your fire feature to fit your needs and space, ensuring years of satisfaction with your Lumacast product. For more information, visit our website or contact us with any further questions.